Welcome the our channel. Today we how to recover your open your browser and go to the Spotify login page. Click on the login button located at the top right corner. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Your Password link. Click on this link to initiate the recovery process. You will be prompted to enter the email address or username associated with your account. Make sure to enter the correct information. After entering your details, click on the Send Email button. Check your email inbox for a message from Spotify. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder as well. Once you find the email, open it and look for the password reset link. Click the link provided in the email to set a new password. You will be directed to a web page to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Enter your new password and confirm it by typing it again. After this, click the Set Password button to save your changes. You can now return to the Spotify login page. Enter your email and the new password you just created. Click the Login button to access your account. If you encounter any issues, revisit the email for additional instructions. Follow the prompts on the screen to resolve any further problems. Once logged in, consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Your Spotify account is now successfully recovered and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.